Good morning this Wednesday, the 12th of November. I'm Max Lacerto, a market analyst with Bell Direct. In the US, Wall Street saw a mixed session overnight, with the Dow Jones closing up 1.18% to set a fresh record high, while the Nasdaq slipped 0.25% as volatility in the AI sector continues. Nvidia pulled back 2% from yesterday's rally on news that Japanese investment holding company SoftBank had sold its entire $5.8 billion stake in the company. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 also saw gains, adding 0.21%. In Europe, markets across the continent carried their momentum from yesterday as optimism following the end of the US government shutdown continued. The Pan-European Stoxx 600 index closed up 1.3%, as the FTSE and the French CAC saw gains of over 1%, while the German DAX was slightly behind, only advancing 0.5%. Back home yesterday, despite opening in the green and seeing 8 of the 11 key sectors positive, the SX 200 declined 0.2% on the day. It was primarily weighed down by the financial sector, where the big story was Commonwealth Bank shares tumbling 6.6% after the bank reported higher net interest margin and cost pressure than expected. And looking ahead to today's trading session, the SPY futures indicate that the ASX will open up 0.2%. Both gold and silver have continued to rally, bringing them now to a 5% and 8.5% advance on the week so far, respectively. Gold is currently trading at $4,129 per ounce, while silver is at $51 per ounce. Crude oil is trading 1.5% higher at nearly $61 per barrel, as the US recently announced fresh sanctions on Russian oil, along with optimism on the impending end of the government shutdown. And iron ore is down 0.4% at $103.56 per ton. Finally, we'll end on some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has upgraded its recommendation on pharmaceutical giant Pro Medicus from a hold to a buy, with a 12-month price target of $320 per share, based on its baseline revenue forecast along with the announcement of 3 new major deals in the US. And Trading Central have identified a bullish signal in pathology services provider Australian Clinical Labs, indicating that the price may rise from the close of $2.64 per share to the range of $2.99 to $3.07 per share over a period of 12 days. That's according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this Wednesday. Have a wonderful day, and as always, happy investing.